So in this class we are going to see stock transport order without billing and without delivery. Usually in stock transport orders, whenever there is a billing document, then only whenever there will be a delivery, then only there will be a billing document. Means billing should be done with respect to delivery or with respect to a sales order reference. So when there is no delivery, then there won't be any billing as well. In this scenario we are going to see stock transport order without billing or delivery. So in order to do that, we don't need to set up any STO settings. All we need is a material which should exist in both the plants between which the STO scenario runs. And while creating the purchase order, the document type should be UB. And here I am giving the supplying plant, and here I am giving the receiving purchase organization, purchase group and company code. This is the material which exists in both the plants. This is the receiving plant and storage location. Once we click on enter, automatically the item category will come as U, which is stock transport order. And here you don't see any shipping tab, which usually come in case of STO with respect to a delivery and a followed by document billing. Click on save. So now we have to execute the transaction MIGO in order to do goods issue. Click on goods issue with respect to purchase order. Here with respect to this purchase order, the issuing plant is SZ01 and the relevant movement type should be 351. So before issuing, let us go ahead and see how the stock exists in both the plants. Here it is 90 in SZ01, whereas in SZ02 it is 10. So now there is an on order stock which we can see it here. This on order stock is for SZ02 because SZ02 has created a purchase order to SZ01. So now once we post the goods issue, let us see how this will get updated. So now it has become 85. So if we go to detailed display, here we can see there will be a 5 quantity which will be in transit. So this is the on order stock which is about to get received, and here again the same 5 quantity is in transit, which means about to receive. So now one has to do goods received with respect to purchase order Again it will be the same purchase order. So now here we can see for this purchase order, the purchase order history has been updated with 351 movement type, which is goods issued document. So now let us do goods received. For the receiving plan, click on check and post it. Now the purchase order will automatically get updated with 101 goods received material document as well. Whereas in stock overview, the 5 stock which is in transit get updated into the receiving plant stock. So this is how a stock transport order without a delivery and a billing document will work. Thanks for watching. Keep liking, share and subscribe our channel.